Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly important for your vehicle's safety: brake fluid color. Yes, you heard it right. Brake fluid isn't just about keeping your brakes working smoothly. Its color can tell you a lot about your vehicle's health. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of brake fluid colors. What is brake fluid? Before we jump into the colors, let's quickly recap what brake fluid actually is. Brake fluid is a specially designed hydraulic fluid that plays a crucial role in your vehicle's braking system. It transfers the force from your foot on the brake pedal to the brake calipers, enabling your car to stop safely. Brake fluid color basics. Now, let's talk about brake fluid colors. Typically, brake fluid comes in one of three colors: clear, amber, or light brown. These colors indicate the fluid's condition and are often associated with different types of brake fluid. Clear brake fluid is usually found in .3 and .4 types, while amber or light brown fluid is often associated with .5 and .5.1 types. Clear brake fluid. Clear brake fluid is like the holy grail of brake fluids. When you check your brake fluid reservoir and see a clear, almost water-like liquid, it's generally a good sign. Clear brake fluid indicates that the fluid is fresh and in good condition. However, over time, it can become darker as it absorbs moisture and contaminants from the environment. Amber and light brown brake fluid. On the other hand, amber or light brown brake fluid is often found in silicone-based brake fluids, like .5. While this color doesn't necessarily indicate a problem, it's essential to monitor it closely. If the color turns significantly darker or cloudy, it may be a sign of contamination or moisture absorption, which can affect your braking performance. Why brake fluid color matters? Why does brake fluid color matter? Well, the color change indicates potential issues with your braking system. Darkening or cloudiness can mean that moisture or other contaminants have entered the brake fluid, which can lead to reduced brake performance, increased wear and tear on your brake components, and even brake system failure if left untreated. Regular brake fluid checks. So, what can you do to keep your brake fluid in top shape? It's simple regular checks. Pop the hood of your car, locate the brake fluid reservoir, and check the color. If it's clear or amber or light brown for the appropriate type, you're in good shape. But if it's significantly darker or cloudy, it's time for a brake fluid flush and replacement. Brake fluid replacement. Now, let's talk about when you should consider replacing your brake fluid. As a general rule of thumb, brake fluid should be replaced every 2 to 3 years, or as recommended in your vehicle's owner's manual. However, if you notice a significant change in color, it's wise to schedule a brake fluid replacement sooner to prevent any potential issues. Common brake fluid problems. Before we wrap up, let's touch on some common brake fluid problems you might encounter. Apart from changes in color, other signs of brake fluid issues include a spongy brake pedal, increased braking distance, or a warning light on your dashboard. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to have your braking system inspected immediately. While checking your brake fluid color is a relatively simple task, replacing it is a bit more involved. If you're comfortable with DIY car maintenance and have the necessary tools, you can certainly tackle this job at home. However, if you're unsure or uncomfortable, it's always a good idea to consult a professional mechanic to ensure the job is done correctly. Brake fluid color might seem like a minor detail, but it's a vital aspect of your vehicle's safety and performance. The color of your brake fluid is a valuable indicator of your vehicle's health. By understanding what the different colors mean and staying vigilant with regular checks and maintenance, you can ensure that your brakes remain reliable when you need them the most. Well, that's all for today's video on brake fluid colors. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more informative content. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and drive